Startup is a simple program for a warehouse through which you can control the purchase of goods, sales, profits, product balances, debts of suppliers and customers, generate an invoice, attaché files. It is a designer program. You can add new functions without programming, create new tables, queries, reports, documentation. After purchase, you have a lifetime license, but you cannot sell it or transfer it to another person for use. The software does not require installation. You have to unzip the folder and save it in your local drive. When you open the folder, you have to open the exe file to start using the software. To enter data about your company into the program, you must select the constructor button and the string constants submenu. Do not change the names in the list, only the values should be changed. All values will be used when creating the invoice. The first button in the vertical menu is Goods. New products are created on this page. This is not just one place to add new products, by the way. You can add new products from all pages. Products must have unique names. You can add a group, barcode, image, unit of measurement, price of purchase, and sale. The price will automatically appear when buying or selling goods, and you can change it at the last moment. To export the list to an Excel file, you must use the Document button. To add a group, click on the small chain icon and then select a name from the list or add a new one. The same logic has a unit field. The second button in the main vertical menu is Location. This page will help you create new storage locations. Remember that the counter button is linked to the Goods Movement Report, which only shows information about where the counter is enabled. The third button in the main menu is the Inventory of Goods. It is used only when you conduct an inventory in the warehouse and discover that the goods are missing or, on the contrary, there is a surplus. The window is divided into two parts. On the first side, you have to add the person in charge. On the second side, you have to add the products. Each product has 4 fields: redundancy quantity, redundancy cost or loss quantity, and loss cost. You use these fields you need by products. The second side has a menu attachments to add other document files. The fourth button in the main menu is Green Plus. This is the item you purchased. Here the window is divided into 2 parts. The first page lists the supplier. Use the little chain button to add the supplier. Once the supplier is added, in the second window you need to add the purchased product. By clicking on the small chain button, you can view the list of products or add a new product. You can exclude VAT from the purchase price. Additionally, there is a payment button in the top right corner where you can add the amounts you have paid. There is also a file upload function. Document button helps to export the list to Excel file. You can use filter before exporting. The fifth button in the main menu, red minus, refers to the product you are selling. Here, the window is also divided into 2 parts. On the first side, you write buyers, use the chain button to add a buyer. After adding a buyer, go to the other side of the window and add the sold item. Using small chain button to select or add product from list, you can exclude VAT from the price. In the upper right corner, there is additionally a function for adding funds paid by the buyer and a function for attaching files. The Document button will help you create an invoice in a Word file. To do this, select a buyer from the list and click the Document button. The invoice will be saved in a Word file. In addition, the Document button allows you to transfer the sales list to Excel. The sixth button in the main menu creates a report on the movement of goods. By clicking on it, you can see the overall picture of your business. The time range indicated below means that the report displays information before the period, for the period, and the final result. Column names have been abbreviated to reduce document size. The first column shows the items, the beginning quantity balance, the beginning total costs, the beginning profit before the period, subsequent purchases in the selected period, the results of subsequent inventories in the selected period. The next column is sales in the selected time range, profit or loss for the selected period. Here, you can see excess inventory and, finally, the monetary balance of goods and the quantitative balance of goods. The goods movement report is linked to the location button and shows only those warehouses that are included in the counter. If you only want to see information about one warehouse, first open the location menu, turn off all warehouses, and turn on only the locations you want to see. With the document button, you can transfer the list to an Excel file. The seventh button in the main menu is a report on suppliers. In the selected time range, you can see a picture of payments and debt for each supplier. Using the document button, you can transfer the information to an Excel file. The eighth button in the main menu is the report on buyers. In the selected time range, you can see the picture of payments and debts according to each buyer. With the document button, you can transfer the information to an Excel file. Thanks for watching. The link to download the program is in the video description.